week that was.
Who was a star in the master bedroom of House 2 this week? George?
I'm terrible at drawing, I'm terrible at maths.
No. Sarah?
If I could find a way.
Maybe.
I love that ceiling rose.
There's the star. What a beauty.
That's our grunge masterpiece.
But guess who didn't think it was perfect?
You can just see imperfections everywhere.
How about your win in the walk-in robe, though?
Floor-to-ceiling wardrobe.
Legend.
And your striking wallpaper.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Will the ceiling rose rise to give the Sydney-siders their first room win?
But last time they gave us good feedback, we almost came last, so...
True, so who knows?
Who knows what's going to happen. I'm hoping they're appreciating the effort of saving that ceiling rose we kept, truthfully, I hope. And I really hope they love our homage to the heritage.
The first thing that Darren said on entering your room was,
Oh, my God.
That is a dream come true, that ceiling panel. So divine.
All the detail in this and the fact that it's been restored so beautifully. This is exactly what the period was about.
Wow! Yeah, it's beautiful.
Original.
I named her Celine Dion. I just thought of that this whole time. And that could have been the whole week. Celine Dion.
Neil agrees that what was above their head was exquisite, but not necessarily what he was seeing at eye level.
My eye is taken by that mural, which I feel I have seen many, many times before.
Neil found it to be so dominant and overwhelming that it cancels out many of the other beautiful features of the room.
It's the only thing in this room that I can see, and unfortunately for me, it's cancelling everything else out. If only they had chosen a different type of wall dressing.
I actually love my
I
wallpaper.
actually like it too. You know what? Truthful, the only person I listen to is my real estate agent. If he tells me that's a piece of it'll come off the wall.
Yeah.
The explosion of colour, however, of that bed head, I love. I love a fireplace in a bedroom. I love it more than a TV.
Darren also liked the fireplace, but thinks it could have been set a bit lower.
The reason why they've done it is so you can watch the fire from here. It could be 30 centimetres lower and you could still watch the fire from bed. I do love the pendant though. The pendant is actually really appropriate. It references the sort of linear elements in the ceiling here, which I think that's really nice as well.
Overall, the room that you have delivered is a good room, but it could have cascaded down from the ceiling and been a great room.
When you have amazing architecture like this, you don't need to fill the room. You need to let it breathe. You need to let it breathe. And if they wanted to do colour, they should have just done the bed head and the bed and not even do a colour on the wall and just let it speak.
From architectural detail point of view though, I mean, look at this lovely entrance into that walk-in. You know, the fact it leads your eye beyond into this skylight.
Let's go and have a look.
Not as vast as the one we've just come from, but way more hanging space. Even though it's not as impactful in terms of glamour, this is going to function a lot better.
Neil agreed. It probably wins in terms of functionality, but in the glamour stakes, this feels very plain in comparison.
There is no romance here. There's no glamour. I find this really ugly.
Sharon then asked Darren to sit at the dressing table.
Neil, I know that you want a bit more period in here, so perhaps the...
Where's that coming from?
from the mirror.
You cannot win me over with that.
Form may follow function, but you can't ignore form either. That's it.
We knew it was going to be hit or miss.
It's styling that's getting us.
I think I need to really focus on that and get that down pat because I feel like that's what takes the room to the next level.
Got to get it right. This is the block. Not making excuses, but it's hard.